And so, since it's been so beautifully established that we are here as travelers on the path to peace, let's engage our spiritual practice of meditation by turning within and placing yourself in a receptive position, however you are comfortable doing so. And just become consciously aware of your breath. In fact, repossess the breath from anything that has a hold on it. Reunite with your breath, knowing that it is life's first and eternal gift to you. The simple breath is what connects us one with the one. One more deep cleansing breath. And let it out with a sigh. Don't ask what the world needs. Ask what makes you come alive and go and do that. These are the words of the mentor to Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., Howard Washington Thurman. Inviting us to contemplate that which makes us come alive. What is it now, as you sit in this sacred center, that is the animating activity of your being? That to which you can throw the entirety of your soul around and experience fulfillment. That for which the toiling and the long hours of your days accrue toward a life worth living. In the first person, ask yourself, what makes me come alive? Deep breath. And let's sit with that in the silence. And now, as the words surface to the top of your consciousness, that speaks to the truth of your aliveness today, hear the ancient call, whom shall I send? Who will go for us? Hear my Lord. Send me. Go and do that thing which makes you come alive. Amen. And so it is.